I have better lighting up there, but you guys can see right here. I'm gonna try to do my best right here. No matter what's a perfect. And then I'm gonna start going back down, start going back that way to keep it tighter. Tighter, keep this on now. I'm just gonna keep your hand on that lock. Your hand on the lock, and you don't want it to click out. My friend calling me 1 second. I'm gonna try to hook my fast. I'm gonna try. Just tight. I think I'm let my hand go. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. I'm still going to throw a little bit more, but look. Look, but I'm going to start right here and finish it up.